Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of explanation text in English part 5, landslide. Landslide. Landslides happen when dirt, rock, or mud suddenly fails or slides down a slope. Mudslides are the most common type of landslides. Thousands of landslides happen around the world every year. Many landslides occur in the mountain areas where no people live. These landslides often go unnoticed, but a landslide that hits a town or a city can cause death and millions of dollars in damage. The ground is made of several layers. The surface layer is soil and rock. Trees and plants that grow in these layers below the surface are made of clay, limestone, sandstone, or other rock and soil types. The bottom layer is usually solid rock. In some coastal areas, the bottom layer is made of soil and other loose material called fill. Layers of the ground usually hold together well, but sometimes the surface layer becomes unstable. If an unstable surface layer rests on a slope, gravity may pull it down and begin a landslide. Many landslides happen during heavy rain. Water soaks the surface layer. The soil turns to mud. Mud is heavier and more slippery than dry soil. On a steep slope, mud may flow down to begin a mudslide. All of the material carried down a slope during a landslide is called debris. Mud and rocks are the main types of debris. Other landslide debris can include trees that have been torn out of the ground, crushed buildings, and even cars. Debris can travel at speeds of more than 130 miles or 210 kilometers per hour on steep slopes. At speeds, landslides can crush buildings and bury entire towns in seconds. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.